Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, My Own Way, episode 13. It's a pleasant Friday morning, a very gloomy day, and it's about to rain. As it's a working day for me, I'm in a hurry to go to bus station to catch my service bus. Therefore, soon after having a cup of milk coffee, I've started preparing a very simple breakfast for my husband and me. That's of course noodles. Usually, when I'm in a rush to go to work, I prepare this kind of breakfast to save my time. Here I am on my way to my workplace, that is a university which is located in Oluville, Sri Lanka. On my way to uni, I usually pass a lot of places. There are paddy fields, streams, restaurants, garments, power plants, etc. This is the outside view from my cabin. Traveling back home from work, you can see it's gloomy once again, so I thought having spicy samosas would be a perfect choice. When I reached home, it started to rain. After having a body wash, I started preparing samosas. To make the curry mix or keema, you need to blend the beef well and keep it aside. After that, into a pan, add some onions and saute well. Then add some tiny bits of ginger garlic, chili powder, coriander powder, salt and pepper into it. Add the blended beef into the pan and mix everything together. These are some of the samosa wraps that I bought from the store nearby. Here I am making a wheat flour glue to stick the samosa wraps. This is the way of folding the wraps and putting the prepared curry inside. Fry the samosas well until it turns into a golden brown color. I've cut the balanced wraps into small pieces and frying them in this way. We call it manda in our place. Do you guys remember these clay pots? If you watched my last video, you would know that these pots are given from tandoori chai in Kalmuna. I'm making use of them now to prepare masala chai and enjoy the evening outdoor rain. The rain ceased finally, and at night we headed to a restaurant named Five Brothers. It's in Tavor. This is the very first time we are going to this place. I really love the seating arrangement here. If you are going with your family, you can prefer this kind of seating. They have updated their menu. The price is also very reasonable here. This room-like seating is convenient to dine and relax with your family. If you are going with your friends and don't want the previous seating arrangement, you also have dining tables to sit and dine. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.